Croissant, ingredients, recipe and fascinating history. Ingredients: basic dough, 500 grams flour, bread flour all-purpose, 10 grams salt, 80 grams granulated sugar, 10 grams instant dry yeast or 25 grams fresh yeast, 300 milliliters warm milk or a mix of milk and water, 250 grams cold unsalted butter for laminating, 1 egg for egg wash. Step-by-step croissant recipe. 1. Prepare the dough. 1. Sift the flour into a large bowl. 2. Add sugar, salt and yeast. Keep salt and yeast apart initially. 3. Gradually pour in the warm milk and mix to form a soft, slightly sticky dough. 4. Knead well, cover with plastic wrap and chill in the fridge for about 1 hour. Laminating the dough. 1. Flatten the cold butter between 2 sheets of baking paper into a 15 by 15 centimeter square. 2. Roll out the dough into a 30 by 30 centimeter square. Thrace the butter in the center and fold the dough over it like an envelope. 3. Foldings. 1. Roll the dough into a long rectangle and fold it into thirds like a letter. 2. Chill for 30 minutes between each fold. Repeat this process 3 times for proper layering. 4. Shaping and proofing. 1. Roll the dough to about 5 millimeters thick and cut into triangles. 2. Roll each triangle from base to tip to form a crescent shape. 3. Place on a baking tray lined with parchment paper, cover and proof for 1 to 2 hours until puffy. Baking. 1. Brush with beaten egg for a golden finish. 2. Bake in a preheated oven, 290 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes until golden brown. The fascinating history of the croissant. Is the croissant really French? Not exactly. While the croissant is now a symbol of French cuisine, its origins trace back to Austria, particularly to Vienna. Its ancestor is the kipferl, a crescent-shaped baked good that existed in Central Europe for centuries. Legendary origins: the Ottoman siege. One popular legend links the croissant to the 1683 siege of Vienna by the Ottoman Empire. Ottoman forces attempted to invade the city by digging tunnels. Local bakers working early in the morning heard the noise and alerted the city's guards. The attack was thwarted, and the bakers were hailed as heroes. To celebrate the victory, they created a pastry shaped like a crescent, mimicking the symbol on the Ottoman flag, and ate the enemy. This pastry was the kipferl, the croissant's predecessor. Arrival in France. It's believed that Marie Antoinette, born in Austria and later Queen of France, introduced the kipferl to the French court in the late 18th century. Over time, French bakers refined the recipe using a laminated yeast dough, and the modern croissant was born in early 20th century Paris. The croissant au beurre, butter croissant, became an icon of French pastry craftsmanship. A cultural symbol. Today, The croissant is an essential part of French breakfast, typically served with coffee or hot chocolate. Found in nearly every bakery in France, it's a symbol of European morning rituals. Fun facts: a real French croissant must be made with 100% butter. Those made with margarine are legally labelled croissant ordinaire. A perfectly laminated croissant has up to 81 layers, 3 by 3 by 3 folds. In France, butter croissants are straight, while margarine croissants are crescent-shaped.